Hi, I'm Ian, founder and CEO of Parra. Parra is the best way to get mobile apps off the ground. The fastest way to get started with Parra is by using the Parra CLI to bootstrap your new project, but we're going to just get started in the dashboard going through the web onboarding flow right now. And so we're going to create an account and enter some basic details here, including role. And we're going to call our workspace Y Combinator and upload our nice little logo right here. And we'll skip domain setup for now. And we want to launch a new app, and it's going to be an iOS app, and we're going to call it YC. Now, we have our command that we can paste in the terminal to bootstrap our project. We're going to do that right now. But before we get started in the terminal, we're going to head over and do a little additional setup in the dashboard. And all we're going to do here is just connect our email provider. So things like welcome emails and account verification emails work out of the box. So I'm going to paste the API key in here real quick, and we'll be right back. So now we're going to jump over and run that command, and we're going to have to just authenticate the Parra CLI in the browser and then run through and confirm the workspace and application we just created. And what this will do is generate us a brand new Xcode project. And I'm just going to drop a quick snippet in here for a nice theme that we built prior to this demo. And now what this is going to do is it's going to provide us with an application that has a tab that you can build your own application in, and then a tab that has a demo of all the Parra features. So that's going to be this second tab right here. And we'll just sign in real quick by creating an account. And now that we have our account, we have all of the basic profile management stuff here. We have our privacy policy and terms. We have a feedback form already wired up. So we're going to come in here and we're going to request dark mode as a feature. And now we're going to hop over to the dashboard again, where we should be able to see this feedback, and we can seamlessly convert it to a ticket. And this is just a demo of our product and ticketing software. And now I just want to walk through the rest of the dashboard real quick. We have settings, general, domains, billing. You can manage all your team members, API keys. We have those policy documents. We have our mail template and our mail template editor. And just want to make a quick change here to this template. It's all AI backed, so you can just give it a prompt and it'll update to whatever you say. So I think that looks pretty good. We'll go back here and we have our user with all of the identities, and we have all of our authentication options here. So this is just a glimpse of everything that the Parra dashboard and the Parra CLI will do for you. Thanks for watching.